Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to make a program for Minstack problem. Okay, I'm going to write code with extra using a stack. Okay, and in another video, I will write code with use of another variable. Okay, so I'm going to write code first, then I will execute the same code. Okay, and then I will write comment so that you can understand meaning of each logic, why I have used the this logic and this logic. Okay, you will get everything here only. What you have to do, you have to practice with me. uh, when I am writing code with my system, then you will also have to write on your system the same code. Okay, and you will also practice with me. Writing part, education part will perform the same uh, logics, comment, everything you have to write on your system. Okay, and after that you will get this topic for sure. Okay, so you can open Visual Studio Code or you can open online Java compiler so that you can write your code. Okay, so now without wasting any time, I'm going to just open. I have already opened Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I'm going to make a file and then I will write code. Okay, you have to do the same things, okay, with me. Okay, so I need to write here min stack file name. I'm making problem dot java. Okay, so I need to write here psvm. Okay, public static void main. This is the main method which we have to always write in while writing the any code in the Java. I need to import first scanner class and stack scanner. Okay, import java.util.scanner and import java.util.stack. Okay, util dot, here should be dot. Okay, and I'm going to make object for the scanner class. Scanner is equals to new scanner system dot in. See, I am explaining the code while writing. After writing, I will write comment for each logic so that you can understand this topic in one go only. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere. You will just learn here only, and you will learn everything. But what you have to do, you have to write code, you have to execute code, you have to write comment, you have to dry run the same code with me also. That's the way you can uh, learn this topic. Okay, and you can get definitely everything you will know. Okay, so I'm going to make the object for the user defined data type. I will define this user this class. Okay, so I am making the object for this. Okay, new min stack and this same. Okay, here I need to write min. Okay, and when I will make object sorry class for this, then it will automatically remove this red line. Okay, now I'm going to write the menu. Okay, to perform the operation. So I need to write here what I need to write: min stack operation. Okay, so please enter operation here. I am going to write system.out.println enter one. You have to, if you will enter one, then it means push. You want to push, and then shout. If you want to user, if you will enter 2, it means you need to enter, you want to do pop operation. So that's why I have written it this pop here. And if you control Control Z, Control C, and Control V. I'm writing. If you will enter 3 means you want to look the top element present in the stack, and if you enter 4 then you will get getMin. See, getMin. Okay. See, what is the min stack problem is, we have to find the minimum element of the stack in O of one time and space complexity. Previously, if you want to found the minimum element, so what we were doing, we were doing traversing the each element of the stack, and then we will get the minimum stack. That's in that the time complexity were taking O of n. So we have to solve this problem in O of one time complexity. You have to reduce the time complexity with this logic. That's why we are writing this code. Okay, we have to get push, pop, top, get mean, all things in one O of one time complexity. Okay, now that's why we this problem will come. I will when I will write comment, you will definitely get everything. Okay, so if you are don't understand some points, then you have to just be with me. Okay, so you have to just patience. Okay, now after get min we have to return what? We have to return 2 3 4 5 में what you have to do, exit, and done, and after that exit I am going to write, have to write switch, sorry, switch you have to write, sorry, you have to run indefinite infinite loop we have to run. Okay, so I need to write here while it's true, then you have to enter choices, enter choice to perform operation, and then I am going to take that choice is equals to sc dot next int, and after getting choice I need to write switch statement, switch, I am passing choice here, and then I need to write case. Okay, I need to write case 1. If user is entering 1, case 1, so what we have to ask means user want to insert, user want to perform push operation, so I need to ask here enter value to push into stack. Okay, so if user is entering, so I need to take that value with the variable val and sc dot next int. Okay, and then we have to push this in min stack, so I need to write here min stack dot push val, and then after pushing you have to print val successfully pushed into main main stack into stack. Okay, so after that we have to write break statement so that it can move on case another case, and after that I am writing another case 2. If user is entering case 2 means user want to perform pop. Okay, so I am asking what I'm going to do. Min stack dot pop, and after that we have to do break. Then we need to continue this. Control V, here should be 3, and if user is entering 3 means user want to print top element, so I need to write here top. Okay, and after that if user is entering case 4 means user want to print get min, so I need to write here 4, and here should be get min, right? Get min. Okay, and if user is entering 5 means user want to exit, so I need to print here out. If user is entering 5 means you have to print program is exiting. Okay, and then you have to write here return. No break statement should be required here, and after that we have to write default statement, default. Okay, default, and after that we need to write here if user is entering invalid number, so you have to print that you have entered invalid input. Okay, please enter again. Please enter again. Okay, and after that I am going to write the class. Okay, and method for push pop top and getMin. Okay, displaying push pop top getMin. Okay, so I need to write here class min stack. Okay, then I need to write here private stack. I'm going to take integer so that I'm giving here, and then main stack, and after that I'm going to create min stack. Control Z. I have to do copy, so I need to paste here. Okay, and then here should be min stack. I am creating two stack. First one the main stack, and second one is min stack. In main stack, the all user input, all element which user is entering is going to store in main stack, and the minimum stack is going to store in min stack by each level. Okay, by each level while comparing. With comparing is going to store in min. Minimum element is going to store in min stack by comparing. Okay, by level wise. Okay, and then I am going to create the what I'm going to create the constructor. So I need to write here public min stack. Then I need to write here main stack equals to new stack, and after that I need to write here min stack. Control C, Control V, and here should be min stack. Okay, and then I'm writing public method to insert element in the stack. So I need to write here public void push int val you have to take, and then you have to insert this val in main method. So I need to write here main stack dot push val, and you have to also insert it in the it is coming. Okay, is this come fast, it is coming, don't worry. It's taking too much time till you have to write the code. Okay, what happens? I'm opening this Visual Studio Code again. Okay, come bro, don't worry guys. If you are doing the mistake then just don't worry. You have to don't repeat the same mistake again. You have to remember that mistake for that. Okay, now it is coming, I think. Oh my god, much time it will take. Don't know. Till you have to write the same code on your system. Okay, and don't be panic. It's coming. How much time will take? I think it's coming. Now I'm going to write again what I have to write here. Okay, I have inserted in that value in the main stack, and after that we have to write check condition. If min stack is empty or and value if min stack is not empty, then check value should be less than equals to min stack dot peak. Okay, then you have to push this value min stack dot push val. Otherwise what you have to perform, else you have to do min stack dot push the top element min stack dot peak. Top element of min stack you have to push again. Okay, min stack it should be capital S. Okay, and after that you have to perform, this is the push operation, push method. Okay, push method, and this is pop method. I am going to write, so I need to write public void pop. It's not going to take anything. It will first check if stack is empty. If main stack is empty, then it will return simple stack is empty. We cannot pop any element. Okay, and if it is not, if a stack is not empty, means you have to perform, else you have to perform int removed is equals to main stack dot pop, and you have to pop the element from min stack also. So you need to write min stack dot pop, and after that you have to print south. Have to print what you have to remove, this element is removed, this element removed stack. Okay, and then after that you have to print, you have to write the method for the top method. Okay, and then I have to write here public void top. First check if main stack is empty. If it is empty, then perform stack is empty. We cannot get any element. Okay, and if it is not, then else, write else part. system dot out dot println and print here top element of the stack is of the is again don't worry guys, the top element of the stack is we have to print here main bro. We have to write here main stack dot peak, then top element of the stack is main stack dot peak. Okay, and after that we have to write final method for the getMin. So in one O of one time complexity, so I need to write here method for getMin in O of one time and space complexity. Okay, and then I need to write here public void getMin. First check if min stack is empty, then print here out stack is empty. Okay, we have no element, we have any element. Okay, and if it is not else, then you have to write out again means system dot out println the minimum element and present in the stack is getMin. It will be top of the min stack. So I need to write here min stack peak. Okay, and then our code is complete. Okay, default. Where is the error? Okay, now our code is complete. I am going to execute it. After that I will write comment. Okay, it is coming. Here is the menu min stack operation. If you want to enter 1, then it means you want to push. Okay, if you will enter 2, then pop. 3 means top, 4 means getMin, and 5 means exit. So if it is saying enter choice to perform operation, here should be e choice. Okay, so I am entering 1 means I have to enter. It is saying enter value to push into the stack. I am entering 5. Exception in thread manage auto table. What is this? Okay, I'm checking it again. Choice, enter choice, and after that switch is enter choice. It will say enter value it is taken, and then it is pushing it into the push val. Okay, and then it is saying pushed it into a stack successfully. Minstack dot push val. It is correct. Val Minstack. Minstack is Minstack is not empty. If there is element, then you have to check value should be less than. But this problem is coming. If it is entering 1, enter value to push into the stack. I am entering enter value to push. I am entering 5. Exception in thread main java my stack exception stack dot peak stack dot java. First I need to enter 1 value. I am entering 5. Okay, 5 successfully pushed into the stack. Okay, now I am entering enter choice. I am entering 1. Okay, enter value to push into the stack. I am entering after 5. I am entering 8. 8 is also pushed successfully. Then I am entering 1 again. 2 sorry 3, and 3 successfully pushed into the stack. Okay, and after that I am pushing it 2. Okay, and then I have pushed 5, 8, 3, 2. Okay, so I am going to know what is the minimum element of our stack. So I am entering 4. So it is saying minimum element present in the stack is 2. Okay, in 5, 8, 3, 2, the minimum element is 2. Okay, and if I want to pop if I want to do pop operation, so I need to write enter here 2. So 2 removed from stack because I have entered 2 in the last. So it stacks work on LIFO principle, that is last in first out. So that's why it removed 2. Okay, it's removed 2. Okay, now I am entering top element. So 2 is it has removed, so what it will print 3 because the uh, before 2 the element present is 3. Okay, so it will when I will click on 3, so it will give the top element of the stack is 3 because 2 has popped. Okay, now I am going to enter the option choice 5. Okay, so I'm entering here 5. So program is exiting. Okay, now our program is working perfectly. So I'm going to write code first. I was done mistake here. uh, where in push operation, yeah, here. If I was checking if main stack is not empty, means there is element present in there. Okay, before entered anything, how element is uh, how element can be there. Okay, that was the before anything how element can be uh, there. Okay, present. Okay, so that was my mistake. Okay, if you are doing the mistake, and you have to remember that mistake. Okay, and you have to not repeat the same things again. Okay, then it is checking if it is stack is empty. If it is empty means you have to push it, and if it is not empty then check it. It should be the like, okay, value less than and equal to be mini stack dot p means the top element of it should be less than the top element present in the mini stack. Okay, and if it is not matching this if condition, then it will automatically says the minimum stack pushed in this level will be the original the previous minimum, okay, of the mini stack. Okay, now I'm going to write a code, sorry, I'm writing comment so that you will learn. Okay, this is the scanner class for taking user input. Okay, stack to store element in the LIFO principle, LIFO policy. Okay, this is the class user define. Okay, class defined for making user define define data type. Okay, I have created here, I have create two, I have create main stack main I have created here, it is loading. Okay, created here main stack object for the main for the stack to store all element. Okay, and it is minimum stack min stack to store min element at each level. Okay, and I have created here constructor, default constructor, default instructor, so that it can automatically called when 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 parameter passed. Okay, for its object. Okay, and then I have performed push operation, push method. I have write push method to insert it take user input and push pushed that that element in both both stack main main plus mean. Okay, it is checking. It is first push in main. Okay, main stack, and after that it checks if main stack is empty or value which have to pushed in min should be smaller than top element of min stack. Smaller element. Okay, min stack element. Okay, if above condition is true, if above condition is true, then push it on the top of min stack. Otherwise top element of the min stack is will will pushed for this level. Okay, and after that you have write pop method. If stack is not empty, if stack is empty, then if stack is non-empty, then I have written condition for that. Okay, each level we are storing 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 the popped element in the removed variable that we can show which element I have. Okay, again it is doing processing. Okay, don't worry, it will also come. Okay, can show which element we have popped. Okay, and at each level element will pop from min stack also. Okay, it is coming, don't worry, from min stack also. Okay, and after that we have performed top method. Okay, so it is checking if main stack if main stack is empty, if main stack is empty, then it is printing not we have to get any element. Okay, and if it if if main main stack is non empty, then we have performed the top element is going to the peak of main stack. Okay, and then I have written here public void getMin. Okay, if if min stack is empty, okay, else I have written else min stack is non empty, then top of element present top of top element present on this stack will be minimum element for the main stack. Okay, that's I have printed here. Okay, with the peak function. Okay, and after that I have written here main method. Okay, public class, this is the file name where our code is going to save. Okay, and this is the main method under which we have to write everything's to execute. Okay, and then object creation for the scanner class to take user input, and this is the object creation for user define the again it is define data type, that's the class. Okay, and we are printing menu so that user can easily understand what they have to do. They have to do. Okay, and after that we are in running the infinite loop menu for menu. Okay, it is true if user will till for infinite loop for till reaching reaching choice 5 choice. Okay, and after that I am taking the choice user choice what he want to insert. Okay, uh, what he want to perform choice for performance. Okay, and reading choice. Okay, and I am using which statement and to reach each case. Okay, and I have performed the switch case here. And after in case 1, if user is entering case 1, then it means user want to push into user want to push element. So it is reading value to enter it enter it in in the stack. Okay, this will internally insert in both stack in plus mean. Okay, and we have performed the same things again here. Okay, these things will internally pop element from both stack. Okay, and I have to write these things for this all three, and for this one also here should be top automatically print top. Okay, automatically min element from the internally min will get min element from stack. Okay, and after that we are exiting the program. It will why I have used return here. It will return calculated calcu calculated it return it returns calculated value and terminate the loop. Okay, and after that extra default extra case I have written if user entered is is which is not present in the menu. Okay, and that's the last thing. Okay, main stack, and after that here should be I sc dot close, so that the user cannot able to. Here sc dot close means the object for the scanner class. Okay, so that user cannot enter value. Okay, and that's the comment, guys. Now I hope you will understand each things. Okay, it is difficult, but you have to do dry run with your own. Okay, and you have to write these things again and again and again. This is the way you can learn. Okay, now I am going to perform it. I am going to execute this program again for the last time, and then after I will close. Okay, this video. It is coming, don't worry. Here, see, it is doing processing. Okay, I have already execute this program. Okay, but after writing this comment, I want to, why it is not working. Okay, this is I think I have got it. Not working any key because I have shooted this video for the a long time. Okay, it is not working any key. I have already okay, it is working. Okay, got it, and then again open it again. Now it will work, I think. Okay, now I am going to run this. It will come now. It is coming. Don't worry, guys. If you are doing the mistake, this is the big program. Okay, that's why it is taking too much processing. Okay, I need to enter here. I need to enter here 1. Okay, it is saying enter value to push. I am entering 10. Again I am entering 1. I am entering 8. I am entering 1 again. I am entering 5. I am entering 7. I am entering 1 again. Now I am entering 6. Okay, then I am entering, I have entered 10, 8, 5 and 6. Okay, now I am going to perform first this choice. Okay, so I need to enter here 4. After entering 4, I have gotten minimum element present in the stack is 5. Okay, and now I am entering the choice 2. So I have get 6 popped from stack, element 6 pop from stack, and then I am going to print 3. So the top element of the stack is 5. Okay, the top element present is 5 because 6 has removed from the top. Okay, and now I am going to enter choice 5, means our program will going to exit. Okay, from where, from perform operation. Okay, so I need to write here 5 and then program is exiting. Okay, so that's the the program which will asked in big companies like FAANG, that is Facebook interview, Apple, Amazon, and Netflix, Google's, and Microsoft also. Okay, so I hope you have getted all things. Okay, and if you are not understanding something, then just comment it and you practice with me. I will I will take I will keep read that things and up, and I will try to explain in another video. Okay, this is so this is too long video. Okay, now and what you have to do, you have to write code, you have to do practice, you have to write comment, you have to do dry run. This by following these 2 4 steps you will definitely get each things. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye. And don't worry, if you are done in the mistake, then you have to remember that and you don't have to repeat the same. Thank you again.